In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover Roblox account without email or phone number in 2026. I'm going to be covering multiple options, so please make sure you stay around for all options. First, you want to check if you're still signed into your Roblox account somewhere, like a phone, iPad, or browser. Also, check your mobile and iPad browsers in case you're signed in. If you're not signed in anywhere, then skip to the timestamp on screen. If you are signed in, then go to the settings and select Account Info. Once here, add a phone number or email to your account. You will need to verify to do so. If you already have an email added that you don't have access to, then you can try to recover the email or skip to the timestamp on screen. Head to somewhere you're not signed in, then click the Forgot Password or Username text. Enter your account username, then click Next. Now, enter your email or phone number, then click Next. Complete the CAPTCHA if needed. Enter the code sent to your email or phone into your provided box, and it should automatically confirm. Add a passkey if you want. I'll just be selecting Skip for now. Type a new password into the new password box, then enter the same password into the Confirm New Password box. Make sure it is something you'll remember. Choose to add a passkey if you want, then click the Update Password button. Then you can sign back into your Roblox account with your new password. If you have to recover your Roblox account without email or phone number, and your account hasn't been compromised, then you will want to check if you have your password saved somewhere. Your password may be saved on your phone or iPads in the browsers, or in the password app, or on your Gmail's saved passwords on your mobile or computer. If you're still unable to recover your Roblox account, then head back to the Roblox website. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Help text. Head back to the bottom and select the Contact Us text. Enter your date of birth. Ideally, you'll want to use the same one on your account, then click the Continue button. Enter the username for the account you're trying to recover into the username box, then enter your first name. Next, enter an email address that you have access to. If you have access to an email that used to be connected to the Roblox account, then I recommend using that. Just make sure you can access the email you enter. Enter the same email into the Confirm Email Address box. Open the Device Type menu and select the device you're having troubles with. If it's multiple, you can just select the one you're currently on. Set the type of help category to Account Hacked or Can't Log In. Set the help subcategory type to Account Hacked if your account has been hacked, or Forgot Password if you have forgotten your password. Now, you will need to describe the issue you are having. You will need to explain your situation and provide proof that the account is yours. For example, you can mention your purchase history, including the amount of Robux and dates you purchased on, as well as emails or phone numbers that were previously linked to the account. If you think you have been hacked and your email on your account has been changed, then you can say that, and include when you think the account was compromised. Alternatively, if you have lost access to the email used on your Roblox account, or if there isn't an email or phone number linked to the account, then be sure to mention that. Just make sure you include some sort of proof that the account is yours. I'll have a few example messages on screen. Feel free to copy them and adjust the message to your situation. Once done, click Continue to send the message. You may receive a confirmation email about your support ticket, and Roblox staff should contact you within a few days. They may ask for additional information to prove you are the owner of the account. After verifying, you may be prompted to change your account's password, or the email on your account will be updated to the one you used for the support ticket. This will allow you to recover your account and change your Roblox password. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.